I gotta clean up this shop. Yo, this place is a mess. I have been really careless to put things back properly. And the more wood I buy, the more things just accumulate. And there's a lot of stuff in here now. And everything's a wreck, especially like the drawers, the lumber situation. And just stacked around, piled around, just everywhere. And I really need to get more organized about it. Last year I did make a couple scrap wood cards, very helpful, but now I need something else. Now I need storage for full boards. I need a wall rack. I don't like storing wood up here. Taking boards and putting boards up there is not fun. I don't want to do that. So my goal is first to clean up the shop, get organized stuff, and then I can see what I have and see what I can do to organize the lumber. A fourth item will be added to the list later. It wasn't part of my original plan, but is it worth it? Yes. So stick around to the end to see the mini renovation. I'm just gonna start with removing anything on the floor, just thrown around. I'm just gonna get it out of here. They just have like these random MDF boards. I keep them because they're straight. Maybe I just keep one, you know? What do I have all these for? Now to clean all this. Should I wear this? Should I wear this right now? All right, I got the top cleared, yes! At least some of it's done. It's an ongoing process. So now that I have room up there, that's where I want to store lumber. So I just gotta get rid of that stuff now. What? Who the hell uses straight screws? What the fuck? This person's evil. You know who installed this? I'm sorry, Mom. Why would you use flathead screws? What the hell? What the hell? Who the hell uses flathead screws? Like crazy, a crazy person. Oh, fuck. Ugh. Ugh. Woo! It's looking good, looking better. Okay, now I'm gonna switch out this board because look at it. It's very thin, so I'm gonna switch it to this board I just took off. You might be thinking, hey, you just organized this. Well, going into this, I didn't have that much of a plan other than clean up, organize wall rack, but things started going. I was like, this shelf was never really good. Let me fix it. And things just started getting better and better. Oh! You know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna shift this shelf over to match with this one because this gets in the way of my wood a lot. So just gonna like this. Get in there. Dude, it's so hot. Oh my God. You know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get a light fixture that just goes up there rather than having a bunch of lights hanging on the shelves because those were whack. They did the job, and I'm grateful for them. R.I.P. clip lights. Served us well. But I want to put a light up here now, so let's do that. I gotta go buy it first. Now I got some proper lighting. Ooh! Went and bought some shop lights, like finally, let's go. I'm gonna put these up now. That way it's easier when I'm putting up the lumber rack, I can actually see what I'm doing. All right, these are the lights that I got. This is what it came with: 2 chains, 2 plastic anchors, zip ties, hooks, and hooks. Let's see if it works first. Oh, this is a nice color too. Oh! Oh! Yo! Oh my God, I could see in here. You know what? I am gonna put the other one. It's gonna be super bright. Oh my God! Why didn't I do this sooner? It's gonna make the cords a little pretty. Like here, gonna hang this along the wall, then install the lumber rack. Making this lumber rack is very simple. I don't think you can do it in a simpler way other than going out and buying actual like metal anchors to install into your wall. But you just need a long piece and a shorter piece, and you decide however long you want to make those boards. But definitely use really long screws, 4-inch screws, and they will be strong. So my goals were completed. I cleaned up, I organized, I made a lumber wall rack, and I even installed some lights. But I started looking at this wall, and I've always hated this wall. So I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna see what's behind here. It's really bad. These wood panels, I mean, they're not terrible, but they don't cover the entire wall. And there's no installation whatsoever in this garage. And there's just random boards piecing this garage together. I swear, whoever made this garage, it definitely was like a homeowner. It was just not a carpenter. There's just random boards nailed into different places. It looked really crazy, and I thought, well, you know what? I'm just gonna take this apart and fix it. And this is where things escalated. This was not part of my plan at all. So hopefully I'm not making a mistake here. Look at all this lighting, this is great. So what's the purpose of this right here? Look at down here too. You just wedged boards in there. Look at that. Look at that. Ugh. I've ripped out these other boards that were just nailed over each other. Like, what was the purpose of that? I also feel like this garage is like gonna come down on me now. I take that back. That is not what's gonna happen. I will fix it. I'm repurposing some of the wood that I did take out that was just extra in the wall. I'm repurposing it on the bottom because it is really rough down here. Some of it's rotten. I did get a pressure treated board and I'm adding that just here on the worst part. Look, I do not know what I'm doing. This is probably incorrect. So I'm just doing what I can to cover this situation. Now this part was really concerning, and so this made me think, oh, this is why they had a bunch of wedged boards here. So I'm going to add a new 2x4 here for support, just in case. Now this came out to an extreme angle, so don't do what I'm doing. I clamped the board down to cut it at the miter saw. Oh, I'm good. I'm using 5/8 inch plywood to cover up about half of the wall. Now I'm marking how high the plywood is going to sit. I'm going to add these boards here to support the shelves that I'm going to add right on top of that. This board I messed up cutting, so I had to leave it gluing for a bit longer. I'm really in deep right now. Should I paint? It is amazing what a little paint can do. It looks so much better now. Wait, I should install the shelves first because that's gonna make more dust. And look at that, those MDF boards that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. I saved them for a reason. Now I am using them as shelving. And they're already black, so I figured that's a sign to use them right here. I am also using some scrap 1x6x8s. To recap, here is how the shop looked before. Here is the wall section where I store all my lumber. Big mess. Lumber was everywhere. I even had lumber on the floor because I did not have proper storage for full boards, and just more wood spilling everywhere. The shelving was not bad, but it definitely can be better. And here is how the ceiling looked like before. And here's after. So that's it. This turned into a mini renovation. This part of the garage has been upgraded. Now it's very inspiring. Now I want to do more of the garage, particularly this side, so I can get better. I want to create more shelves like I did here, but French cleats so I can hang my tools, and I can't wait. It's going to keep going. But for now, look at this. Not at all what I expected. It's better. Is there a lot to do still? Yes, I'm not gonna lie to you. Look over here. There's still a lot to do. I have to organize this back corner, like where I just put my bandsaw, and I really gotta get my planer up and running and on a mobile cart. So there's a lot to do in this area still. So I think this is very realistic what I was able to do over 3 or 4 days. So this wall with the shelving is definitely my new favorite spot. So I added a spot here to hang my blades now. And this wall actually goes straight outside. So I drilled outside at one point. So it's my bad. And then I can actually have a spot for my pull saw now. I can just lay it there. And look how cute. This side was my bad, bro. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, yes, I freaking love you. And for those who continue to support, thank you. Please subscribe so I can keep making videos like this, and there will be more renovation. It's gonna keep going, so subscribe for more. I'll see you next time.